Good evening, everyone. I'm Riley King, and welcome to this evening news report right here on the Riley King Network. Autopsy results released in Manchester shooting that took place yesterday in Manchester, New Hampshire. The death of a 67-year-old determined to be a homicide. New Hampshire Attorney General's office has released autopsy results for a 67-year-old shot Saturday outside a Manchester homeless shelter, and an arrest warrant has been issued for a man considered to be armed and dangerous. Jean was shot around 8:40 a.m. Saturday outside 351 Chestnut Street, the Attorney General's office said in a news release. That building, which previously served as the city's police station, is being used as an emergency winter homeless shelter. Officials announced on Sunday the cause of Jean's death was a gunshot wound to the head, and the manner of his death was a homicide. An arrest warrant has been issued for Timothy Johnson, 38. Officials have charged him with one count of second-degree murder for knowingly and causing Jean's death. Johnson was last seen in front of 351 Chestnut Street around 8:40 a.m. Saturday and is believed to be on foot. Officials say Johnson should be considered armed and dangerous and should not be approached. Officials said Johnson was last seen wearing a tan/light brown overcoat, a light-colored watch cap, and a green military-style backpack. He has a distinctive tattoo on his left lower neck. And here are some photos. Let's take a look at those. And here's a look at those photos for all of you right now. This is the suspect that Manchester police are looking for. If you recognize this suspect, call the police. Anyone with information about Johnson's whereabouts is asked to contact the Manchester Police Department at 603-668-8711. And that does it for this evening news report right here on the Riley King Network. Thank you for watching this evening news report. I hope you all have a great rest of your evening, and see you back here tomorrow for another news report. Good night and goodbye, everyone.